expressive sniffs. Okay, maybe it was all in my head, but the teleport seemed to take longer than it usually did, and Cotty and I were both sicker than we usually were. Maybe it was because we'd done 2 teleports so close together. Or maybe... Mika nodded to the second. That was brief, at least. What did she want? Explain yourself. My own fault.
Lord knows what I wanna do in the morning. Wake up, ain't playing all these games and play with the ring, but things don't change. When we get too deep, I don't wanna put you on the lease. Baby, you a permanent piece.
Oh, fuck ya!
Fuck me.
Nothing my way.
I know, but I've got these cars here.
You're not allowed to do that,
I'm allowed
Mark.
to do that.
Jesus, that's interesting driving. Oh, they'd be on dash cam. Oh, 137.
Holy sh... The spinner could be dangerous to us? It was designed to be a last line of defense against an enemy that terrified the Elders, so it must have been programmed to protect itself. Yeah, but you can talk to it, right? Tell it we're friendly?
It acts as a support structure for growing teeth in the lab. So they used a chemical technique called click chemistry to connect parts.
What an asshole.
I have no clue. I mean, your guys went out in a couple of trips, did they not?
Look at this clown. I honestly can't remember, but they. But even.
of them. Oh, I bet you that prick just got someone. Finally, I bet you he just got someone. God, I missed it turning right. I guarantee you this guy got busted by the cops. Finally there's a cop around who saw that guy doing the illegal right turn. What an absolute... No fucking idea. You like that shit?
Yes! Yes! Fuck you too!
Yeah, now we don't like it. Sucked in, wanker. Oh, you fucking idiot. Guy's got to be doing 120, 130. What an idiot. I'm doing dead on. I'm on autopilot at 80 when that clown came, and he just ran a red light. Christ.
Target, maximum firepower.
Now he's got his left indicator on, still sitting in the fucking overtaking lane with his high beams on.
That's the only time you're allowed to use a dealer tag for. It's not to drive all over town and figure out what you're going to do with your car. You're not on a test drive. Your son's not in the car. You don't have a salesperson in the car going on a test drive. You're using it for private use to bring a friend home from the brass ring. I'm going to ask you one more time to see how good your credibility is. How much did you have to...
You're welcome.
Because I can smell it all over you.
What you was flying around?
Net Electrical. Actually a nice driver who said thank you.
Brass ring and asked him how much it breathe.
The connection. Try again.
This thing,
And with that,
okay, back in the 80s.
Currently.
That charger?
More than a cap. He is cap, but less. No cap.
What made me think I could follow that? This isn't your fault.
Made it around. Yeah, because it's